Thanks for taking the time to take a quick look at easy access to Teamcenter inside SolidWorks. Over the next 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to see how easy it is to access Teamcenter from right inside SolidWorks. Quickly find and reuse SolidWorks and other multi-CAD designs from across your design chain. Automatically manage the files and revisions so you always have the right data, and contribute to a multi-domain BOM. Let's take a look.
Using the intuitive Teamcenter web client hosted directly inside of SolidWorks, the design engineer quickly searches using Teamcenter's powerful search tools for a battery pack subassembly to add to the top-level drill assembly. Once the subassembly is found in Teamcenter, a simple drag and drop inserts it into the drill assembly. Teamcenter senses that the read-only drill is being modified and prompts the user to check it out. This prevents accidental overwrites and prevents wasted time making changes that cannot be saved. A new assembly drawing is created using standard SolidWorks tools. The drawing is automatically registered in Teamcenter. The drawing is annotated to display fine numbers from the Teamcenter bill of materials. The new drawing and its modified assembly can then be saved to Teamcenter as a work-in-process version. Design changes are instantly available to other users who can then decide whether to update their local in-session models. The drawing is also automatically translated and saved to a PDF, making it available to any non-SolidWorks users for review. From the Teamcenter web client hosted directly inside of SolidWorks, the design engineer checks his inbox for assigned work. From the engineering change order, he can access all necessary information and related objects. Direct access to all Teamcenter PDM functionality from within SolidWorks alleviates the need for a secondary application. From the 3D rendering of the target assembly, a subassembly is identified for addition of a non-CAD bulk part. The engineering bill of materials can be augmented with non-SolidWorks components for a complete representation of the product structure. From the embedded bill of materials editor, the bulk part is searched for, found, and inserted into the designated subassembly. Direct product structure editing from within SolidWorks allows you to support the PDM lifecycle from end to end. The target design is opened in SolidWorks with a single click. From the assigned task, the auxiliary handle is inserted via drag and drop from Teamcenter. This intuitive and familiar interaction with the SolidWorks session minimizes user training and enhances designer productivity. Teamcenter senses that the read-only drill is being modified and prompts the user to check it out. Automated and integrated design access control prevents accidental overwrites and wasted time making changes that cannot be saved. The new drawing and its modified assembly are saved to Teamcenter as a work-in-process version. The implicit data update to the drawing is graphically identified so the user knows he should check it out and save it along with the assembly. Work-in-process designs may be iterated any number of times before release. Design changes are instantly available to other users who can then decide whether to update their local in-session models. Teamcenter and local status of design data is accurately tracked at all times.
Thanks again for watching Easy Access to Teamcenter inside SolidWorks. You just saw how easy it is to access Teamcenter right inside SolidWorks. Find and reuse CAD designs, automatically manage the files so you have the right data, and contribute to a full multi-domain BOM. All right inside the SolidWorks interface you are already familiar with.
Cards. Driven by digitalization.